Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. We're glad to have you here. Today, we're unboxing something that BMW fans are going to love, a Hot Wheels Premium 2-pack featuring 2 legendary race cars from different eras, part of the car culture line. We've got the 2001 BMW M3 GTR and the BMW 320 Group 5, both in the iconic BMW Motorsport livery. These are premium castings with full metal bodies and real riders' wheels, built for collectors and fans alike. Before we open them up, let's take a moment to talk about why these cars are so important in BMW's racing history. Quick history of both cars. The BMW M3 GTR, introduced in 2001, was a purpose-built race car for the American Le Mans series. It had a powerful V8 engine, a lightweight chassis, and aggressive styling that quickly made it a fan favorite both on the track and in video. Games like Need for Speed Most Wanted. Beside it, the BMW 320 Group 5 takes us back to the late 1970s when it competed in the Deutsche Rennsportmeisterschaft, DRM. With its turbocharged engine, flared bodywork, and wild aero, it was BMW's first real monster of the turbo era. 2 different decades, one racing heritage.
Let's start with the car on the right, the 2001 BMW M3 GTR. This is a legend of the early 2000s. Just look at it. Low stance, wide body, big wing, every angle screams performance. The livery is perfectly printed with the number 3 on the side and the iconic M stripes running from front to back. It rides on those slick real riders' wheels, and the casting detail is just top-notch. This is the car that brought BMW back to the top in GT racing, and it still looks fierce today. Now let's check out the other half of the pack, the BMW 320 Group 5. This one's a raw and boxy beast from the 1970s. Wide fenders, big spoilers, and a short wheelbase, it's got that old-school race car energy. It wears the number 12 and has a more angular shape, with a massive front splitter and deep rear arches. You can really feel the mechanical nature of racing in that era. It was brutal, fast, and loud. And Hot Wheels captured that perfectly in this casting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And we'll see you in the next unboxing.